Which is your favorite so far?
All of them.
All of them, okay.
Now,
Do you want me to look in there with the camera?
sure.
Okay. What brand is this?
That one's white.
What brand? Who makes it? Who makes this washing machine? Tells you right here, look.
Samsung.
Okay, so when they ask you the brand, that's what they're saying. That's what they're asking for. What brand is this?
That's one Samsung too.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at that.
They made it differently. See?
Very cool, right?
Yeah. Okay. Let me look at this one.
Okay. Ooh, what brand is this?
That one's like, what is this sign?
GE, General Electric.
I love GE.
Mm-hmm.
Is it GE?
GE, General Electric.
Wait, let me put it out.
There you go.
Okay, it's off.
Nice job. What brand is this?
Samsung.
Okay. Ooh, you gotta lift that up. Oh, wow.
That looks silver. I mean
Look
gold.
at that. No, silver. That looks so cool.
Coach, by the way, the washers have holes in it.
They
What
do.
is that for?
That's where the water comes out.
Oh yeah. And during the cycle, what will happen to the clothes?
It gets wet, and then it goes around with the soap, and then it spins it. That's how it cleans it. Wow, you see?
That's nice.
It's very nice. What brand is this?
Whirlpool.
Oh, wow. I think I like Samsung better, but Whirlpool's okay.
That's nice. Oh, look, another one.
Ooh, this one's cool, but it's not as fancy as the other one.
But I love this one.
But you love this one? Okay. That's what matters, that you love it. Look, got a lot of clothes. 4.3 cubic feet of clothes. That's a lot. Let's see if we can find one that's bigger. How many cubic feet? Ooh, look at this one. How many cubic feet?
It's like 5.3.
That's way bigger. That's almost, ooh, look at that.
That's Maytag.
Maytag. Ooh.
And it has the same drum as the Whirlpool.
Yeah.
Now let's see if I do that. Coach, what is that?
What's what?
Coach, what is that?
That's a hose. That's where the water goes through.
Why do washing machines need that?
Because if they don't have water, then you can't rinse. You have to mix water with soap, like when you shower, right?
Oh yeah.
So you're doing the same thing.
Let's check out this one.
Okay, what brand is this?
Insignia.
Insignia.
And it's 4.1 cubic
All right,
feet.
so that's a little smaller than the Maytag, right?
And
But
that
look how
one's
nice.
cool.
Very cool.
Oops.
And this is also a Maytag.
That's Maytag.
Okay. How many cubic feet?
4.2.
So it's a little smaller, about the same size as the other one.
And this one is a capacity. And
Which
it's
one?
4.7.
Oh, so this one's a little bigger. Let's open it. It's very nice. Ooh, look how much clothes you can fit in there, Ivana. You can fit a lot of clothes.
Yeah, but but that's not for kids, right?
No, yeah, for kids' clothes. For
Is it dangerous?
yeah, it's very dangerous. Don't forget this one. Ooh,
That's good.
that one's how many cubic feet?
Its capacity is
Ooh,
5.2.
that's big. You like the control or no?
I love it one.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that's an LG.
Oh my God, that's an LG.
And look at this one. It's a twin wash.
It's a twin wash?
Yeah.
How do we open it? Look at that. That's kind of cool.
But how do we open this?
The bottom?
Yeah.
Two-in-one washer.
It's a tiny one.
We just open it. Ooh, look at that.
Let me open it up.
Okay.
Look at it, it's so small.
Wow, it's small. We got to figure out what we put in here. Intimate hand wash.
It could wash, rinse, and spit.
Okay, but very sensitive things, like very nice material, like some of mommy's dresses.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, that's just a dryer.
Okay, what brand is this?
Another one.
What is it?
G. Electric G. Oh, it's on.
G stands for what?
G stands for G.
No, General, and then
General.
E for electric. General Electric. Nice job turning it off.
Oh, close. Look at this one.
Ooh. No, that one is not a top loading. That one is from there, from the front. There you go.
Oh,
What-
actually, that's a dryer.
Is it a dryer? Are you sure?
Yeah, it's actually a dryer.
Oh, it's a dryer. You're right. Electric dryer. Which one? Which washer do you like better? The top loading or the one where you push them in?
Actually, those are those are front loaders, and these are top loaders.
So what do you like more, top loader or front loader?
Both.
Okay.
That one, not. This one.
Okay, we ran out of washing machines.
Coach, did we do this side? Or
We
this
did.
side?
We did all of it.
Now, let's check out this one.